if a raised to x equals to b raised to y equals to c raised to z and b square equals to ac, then the value of y is, means these two expressions are given or equations are given and we have to find the value of y. Now these problems you will have to practice only. There is no logic or anything to this, just practice. So a raised to x equals to b raised to y. So convert this to, we have to convert this to b, only b raised to y. So divide everything by y, a raised to something raised to y. So a raised to x upon y means take yth root of both the sides. So it becomes a raised to x upon y equals to b raised to y upon y. But y upon y is 1. So b raised to 1, that is b. Therefore b equals to a raised to x upon y. Now similarly for z, a raised to x equals to c raised to z. So a raised to x upon z equals to c raised to z upon z equals to c. Therefore c equals to a raised to x upon z. Okay. Now we have got b in terms of a raised to x upon y and c in terms of a raised to x upon z. But what is given? B square equals to ac. But what is b? B is a raised to x upon y, right? We have just now got it. So it becomes a raised to 2x upon y equals to a into, what is c? A raised to x upon z, right? So solve this right hand side. A raised to, it becomes a raised to 1 into a raised to x upon z. So it becomes a raised to 1 plus x upon z, right? Formula x raised to a into x raised to b equals to x raised to a plus b, right? That formula. So now what happens? A raised to 2x upon y equals to a raised to 1 plus x upon y. Now bases same, so indices can be equated. So 2x upon y equals to 1 plus x upon z. Now solve this. Z into 1 cross multiply. Z into 1 plus x. So z plus x upon z. So what happens now? 2x upon y equals to z plus x upon z. But what we want? Y. So make it reverse. That is called as invertendo. So make it invertendo. Y upon 2x equals to z upon z plus x. So y equals to what? Take 2x on this side. So 2xz upon z plus x. That is the value of y.